Hello friends, welcome back to my famous educational channel to watch more creative videos on Node.js and MongoDB using DB Atlas database. As we have gone through many videos on Task Manager, today's video is enhancement of previous videos of Task Manager. Let us go through the program code in detail. First of all, we'll move to DB directory. In that we will see connect.js. This part is about, this is connection part. Now we'll move on to middleware. In that we will see method, then error handler, and at the last 404, this part. Now we will move to roots directory. In that task, this is all about task. We are having get all tasks, create tasks, get tasks, updated tasks, delete tasks, and edit tasks. Now we'll move on to controller directory. Sorry. We are in roots directory. In that we are having different part are there. Controller directory, important part. Here also I am specifying get task, create task, get, and this part. Now we will move on to public directory. In that you are having edit task. This is all about edit task. Favicon, okay, this is binary file. Then index.html, this is main HTML file, home page. Now main CSS part, and task.html. This is about task.html. Now we'll move on to our main Node.js file, that is app.js. This is middleware, and this part roots and start. Now I will execute the program. Yes, server has been started. Now with port number 3000, localhost, Yes, task manager is started. Now I will do programming in PHP. Okay, so task is assigned. Now I will edit the task. Again I will create one task. Do programming in Node.js. Yes, now I will edit the task. Instead of PHP I will say Python, and if I click on this checkbox, then task is completed. You can say task successfully edited. Back, do programming in Python. Now I will do one thing. I will click on that button checkbox, then successful, then this task is completed. That's why it is, this mark is there. So, and if I want to delete, I can delete. And here time is noted, that is very important. Programming Java, that's all. Now, so I successfully done with create, edit, update, delete and show current time in Task Manager. Since more our students are doing project on Task Manager, that's why I'm trying to do videos on Task Manager. I will go back with more creative videos on Task Manager using Node.js and MongoDB. I'm thinking of React. If you like this video, please share me in comments. Subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more interesting videos, creative videos. Thanks for watching.